Haven't seen this thing in a long time, 3 years. It doesn't run. So it's been sitting here a while. And it really doesn't run. Doesn't smell that much different in here. I don't think I hear a pump. Yeah. Batteries sound a little low. See if I can hear it. No, I do not hear that thing running. No, that's definitely not running. Well, let's check under the hood then. Well, forgot the hood latch on this thing is broken. Shut up. At least it's easy to open. This is how it sounds.
Hold on a second. Let me listen to the pump. Hold on. Okay.
Nothing, right?
I don't hear the pump. Well, he didn't turn it on.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, you did?
I just have the seatbelt on.
Do you crank it? Hold on. Hold on, Nathan. Looks like we got some debris.
Just a little bit.
I don't know what it could be, but let's see. There's the old one. Relay goes on.
What we had a bad feeling about.
Hold it.
Yeah. Oh, done now.
You need my big orange hammer. In the shed.
Didn't you say you bought a fuel pump for it, Dad?
I put one in there already.
Service 4-wheel drive. $225,000. Doesn't have much.
I haven't drove this thing in a long time.
It doesn't. It smells the same. It don't smell the greatest, but it's. But it brings back memories of the smell.
Don't keep the key on.
Yeah, before my channel got terminated, I did have some videos on this. I used to make a lot of videos on this, a lot. This is the first time you guys have seen it on this channel. But my dad used to have it. He put a new motor in it when he first got it because the other motor was no good. And he also put a few pump in it, but we're gonna see if we can get that thing to work. I mean, my grandpa's had this since 16. Doesn't drive it much though. Crank it?
dead. It must be toast. Sometimes that'll work. You got leaf. De-leafify.
Yeah, it's pump's toast.
Okay, now turn it on.
Ready?
Turn the key on. Turn it off. On. Yeah, no fuel pump.
It's off. Oh man, it's not dependable right now, but once we get a pump in this, it should run like new.